Welcome to Mind Games. Ever wondered how to incorporate honey into your everyday meals, enhancing not just the taste, but also reaping its numerous health benefits? Well, wonder no more. Today we're diving into the world of honey-infused cooking, showcasing its versatility with 10 delectable recipes. From a savory honey-glazed chicken to a refreshing honey lemonade and even a sweet honey banana bread, we've got something to satisfy every palate. So gear up to sweeten your meals with a touch of honey. Starting with something savory, we have the honey-glazed chicken. This delightful dish combines the succulent flavors of chicken with the natural sweetness of honey, creating a meal that's both wholesome and satisfying. To create this dish, we marinate the chicken in a mixture of honey, soy sauce, and garlic, then roast it to perfection. The result is a tender, flavorful chicken with a glaze that's simply divine. Transitioning now to our honey mustard dressing, a zingy and sweet concoction that's sure to elevate your salads. The key to this dressing is the balance between the sharpness of the mustard and the mellow sweetness of the honey. We blend these two ingredients together with some olive oil, apple cider vinegar, and a pinch of salt. This creates a dressing that's both velvety and vibrant, adding a burst of flavor to any salad. With these two recipes, you've just added a sweet twist to your savory dishes. Now let's move on to some sweet treats with a touch of honey. Picture this. A heavenly scent wafts from your oven as a batch of honey cinnamon rolls bakes to golden perfection. The secret is in the dough, enriched with the natural sweetness of honey, and a filling that's a delightful mix of cinnamon brown sugar and another drizzle of honey. Once baked, they're brushed with a final layer of honey glaze, making every bite a sweet symphony of flavors. Transitioning from the oven to the stovetop, we have honey-roasted nuts. This recipe is simplicity at its finest. Start with your favorite nuts, almonds, pecans, or maybe cashews. Toss them in a mixture of honey, a touch of oil, and a sprinkle of sea salt. Roast until they're beautifully golden, and voila, a healthful snack that's both crunchy and sweet. With these honey-infused treats, snack time just got a whole lot sweeter. Moving on, we have a refreshing honey lemonade and a tangy honey BBQ sauce. Let's dive into the lemonade first. Picture a hot summer day and you're longing for a cool, revitalizing drink. Start by squeezing the juice from fresh, ripe lemons. Add water, and here comes the star ingredient, a generous dollop of honey. Stir until the honey is fully dissolved, and there you have it. A glass of honey lemonade that's as refreshing as it is sweet. Now let's turn up the heat with our honey BBQ sauce. Begin with a base of tomato sauce, add in a splash of vinegar for a tangy kick. Next, mix in spices like paprika and garlic powder. Finally, stir in your honey, blending it until you have a sauce that's sweet, tangy, and oh so delicious. With these recipes, you're all set to beat the heat and win at your next BBQ party. Finally, we have 4 more delicious honey recipes that you absolutely must try. Start your day with honey granola, a breakfast packed with wholesome goodness and a touch of sweetness. Next, grace your dinner table with honey-glazed carrots, a perfect blend of natural sweetness with a honey twist. Treat yourself to a guilt-free dessert, the honey yogurt parfait, a delightful combination of creamy yogurt, fresh fruits, and a drizzle of honey. Lastly, our honey banana bread, a moist, flavorful classic with a honey hint. And that's a wrap on our 10 DIY honey recipes. Give them a try and enjoy the sweet and wholesome goodness of honey in your meals. Now that we have explored the versatile world of honey recipes, it's time to put on your chef's hat and try these out. Remember, honey is not just a sweet treat, but a nutrient-rich ingredient that can transform your meals into healthier versions. Whether you're starting your day with honey granola or ending it with a slice of honey banana bread, these recipes are sure to satisfy your sweet tooth and provide you with essential nutrients. So, what are you waiting for? Get your apron on and start cooking. And if you've enjoyed our honey journey today, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more delicious recipes and kitchen hacks. We've got lots more sweet adventures coming your way. Don't forget to share your honey creations with us in the comment section below. Stay tuned, stay sweet, and remember, the secret ingredient is always love and a little bit of honey.